If you're experiencing issues with the installation loop of EAFC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for EAFC25. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be interfering with the installation. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall settings, as they can sometimes block the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the EAFC25 installation file and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall EA app. If the problem persists, uninstall and then reinstall the EA app. This can help fix any corrupted files or settings that may be affecting the installation process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and successfully install EAFC25. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.